What's up, Soft Chaos fans? It's your girl Shana back on another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I'm doing a Friday reset. This YouTube schedule has been a little bit off, but we're gonna be back on track next week. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to go brush my teeth, put a bra on. I don't care if I gotta say yeah, I didn't take a shower yet, but that's only because I take down my hair and then I gotta go wash my hair and I have to like re-get in the shower. I gotta take it down anyways today, so I'm gonna get in the shower later on today after my hair is fully taken down. Yes, I am determined to take all of it down today. Okay? Don't worry about that. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that and then give my little sister a bath real quick so that she can get ready to go with my mother. And then we're gonna get this video started. So I'll be right back, guys. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So we're in the bathroom. We're gonna start cleaning the bathroom. And I might not do much talking after starting this bathroom, but we're gonna start with the upstairs bathroom. I need to go get the thing that scrubs the tub real quick, and then we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna be right back. I still have one of these to scrub the tub. You can get it off Amazon. Also, my mom bought it, but I'm gonna get ready to start cleaning. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. I think I'm gonna see y'all on my eating break. But until then, let's watch this video of me cleaning.
I'm about to see, I close my eyes, then I can see you in here though. Most of them need like signs to make every day your birthday, and every night your Valentine's Day. Try that we could be somewhere in the cloud. It's warm long as you around it. I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time, go anywhere. Out there, I know I love you. I swear you're the best. Busy all day, I get off my trip. Oh yeah, I think I love you. Oh baby, baby, we try that we could be somewhere in the cloud. It's warm, long as you around it. I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time. Anywhere, baby, that's mine. Grown man in my suit and tie. Hey, there's no way without you. Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. Shining clients pay the payment. She don't need a job thing. My bitch strip like Calico. Hit the strip like every week. Cause we burn her half an hour. Just that life that got no limit. My beats never be pimped out. Hondo out in town. It's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping hot since get-go. Making money, niggas making money. See the hold up, still riding down some video. Real niggas know what the real strip me. Real niggas know what the real hit me. Real niggas know what the real lick me. If it all goes down, she down for me. If it all goes down, feel with her, feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, feel with her, yeah, yeah. Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. And the clients pay the payment. She don't need a job thing. My bitch strip like diamonds, so hit the strip like every week. Cause we burn her half an hour. Just got a life that got no limit. My beats never be pimped out. I go out in town. It's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set though. Slapping the hot and get-go. Making money, niggas making money. Sinking to the call, I'm still riding down some video. Real niggas know what the real strip me. Real niggas know what the real hit me. Real niggas know what the real lick me. If it all goes down, she down for me. If it all goes down, feel with her, feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, yeah, yeah. Feel with her, feel with her, yeah, 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 yeah.
I do that 3-4 times a good night, testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking down here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, doing, I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problems. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a roll when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to go when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know.
They wanna fight. Are you fighting on me and on the main one fight? Are you blaming on me? You the main one lying. Are you trying to be then I'm the main one fight? Just trying to be you everything. Main one fight. Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one fight? Are you blaming on me and you the main one fight? Are you playing the deep and I'm the main one fight?
And I can't lose when I'm with you. This is what you want. Can you make a promise? Yeah. So in love, I can see it in your eyes. How you shove it up, about me to your guys. I played you a bet for you to save the night. I hope in return you can save for life. I crave your ways, it's beyond my mind. be so good, so good. Yeah. Taking a chance to get it right. I wanna sit tall until I die. So good. Yeah. Laying down all my heart for you. Loving you is all I wanna live for. Yeah. Live for. Live for. Is it about that? I don't see nobody else. Them niggas well, I don't wish them well. See if you can't tell. See the top end of my lips, I kiss it and I said, I made you a bed for you to sleep tonight. From the day that I saw you on a bus, but I trade the things of the world for you anytime. Cause I know we'll do it right and it's gonna be so good. So good. Taking a chance to get it right. Wanna so good until I die. It'll be so good. So good. Laying down all my heart for you. You is all I wanna live for. You a man, just say you was a man. You say you about it, you say you got a plan. I really was trying to listen, just ain't got no discipline. That why we're listening. But I need a nigga who can handle me. I'm a nigga who can handle me. Oh.
Okay guys, so it's my break. I'm hungry and I ate pizza. Everything else. And I ate fire. But I'm not eating another one. But I'm gonna go eat some hot chips while I wait for this. So let's just get my food in. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I think you're allergic to it. Let me make sure you're not allergic. I am allergic. Are you allergic to these? So yes!
Yeah, I'll be taking hot chips until the pizza. I haven't ate since early this morning. I was ate cereal. That's it.
You take 6 little packets for whole.
You're back when I'm eating. It did a little thing. This smells real good. If this look weird, y'all, I'm vlogging for my front camera, not my back. But I got me something to eat. I'm gonna eat. Mama, if you watching this, it's not your soda. This is imaginary. Ugh. And it all over my bandy. Anyways, y'all, I'm eating. My mom told us she don't want her bathroom clean because she watching her show. So, baby, I think the last bathroom to clean is the bathroom by the kitchen. So, I'm gonna eat, y'all. I'm gonna clean that bathroom. And then I'm gonna, you know, do what I do. But yes, I baked this in the air fryer. 300 for like 35 minutes, I think. That was good. Tell me what y'all eat when y'all on a break from cleaning. You can tell your favorite snack. Anyways, y'all. See you after I get done eating because I gotta watch something while I'm eating. So, see y'all when it's time to clean out the bathroom.
Nigga, keep your hands off me. You wanna stay with me. Nigga, you just so fan of me. Cuff your bitch, nigga, cuff your bitch. Caught you slipping in it, nigga, it'll let go. Really telling me that I could break you down like a gem slam. Fucking that catch me, I be live. I'll be tipping, you say twice.
sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. Took the roof off the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let's sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cuts have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, are we taking lives?
Well, so Chaos fans, it's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and your girl Russia is signing out. Bye, beautifuls.
But these bitches in my business, come me out, choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me.